IBO stock analysis and price predictions. Easy to buy. Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and really documented them all. You can check out my YouTube channel. With 40,000 videos out of the belt, I've seen what's making me money. And in this particular situation, first thing on the list is going to be, I'm not that big of a fan of the trend. You can see even my previous prediction was a sell side. Let me show you the before. Right, there you go. I mean, it was sitting at 5 days back, 4th of May. It was sitting at 74 cents. Now we're literally 53. Looking to definitely take things even further lower. So I'm going to stick with it. You know, I'm not selling. I'm not just going to reinvent the wheel here, you know. So if you want to learn how I'm specifically consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then yeah, just go ahead and click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Other than this is all just going to be pure noise. I mean, I do have some other receipts here. Not EBO, but IBO. Yeah, sure. Quite a bit. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.